What's up, guys? Back with another video here with a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the Hemi in it. Sometimes you get the no start. See, nothing happens here. I replaced the starter relay, and it works, but when it's cold outside it doesn't work. Once the vehicle warms up, it starts every time. So I bought a new one of these and it didn't start up this morning. I replaced the starter on here, so it has a new starter, and also there's a wire that's behind here that goes to your starter solenoid that gets corroded. I replaced that wire and that did not help. So also I've put heaters inside the Jeep overnight, and that's helped. So we know there's not a problem from here to the starter. It's got to be from here to the key. But I'm not willing to look at digging through there and replacing parts needlessly. So here's the old starter solenoid, starter relay, and I just took the cover off. And so what I do is I push this down in here, and when I can't start it in the morning, I just put the cover back on. But when I get out here in the morning, I just open the hood and I initially just grab the relay and I let it turn over a few times like that. And then I come in here and there she is. So like I said, I basically just broke the cover off of this, and when I come out here in the morning, that's when it doesn't start, is when it's cold. When it's warm, it starts every single time, but when it's cold outside in the morning, it won't want to start. So I use this to get the motor turning, and then once I go in there and put the key in there, it fires up every single time. So I'm guessing if you guys don't mind doing that, then you'll never be stuck. Appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Peace.